My name is Aishguru. Today I'm going to present my analysis of generative AI as chatbots as an intelligent system. I will briefly explain how they work, their ethical issues, and future trends. So chatbots have evolved into intelligent systems. The language model is only one part of the whole system. First, the user enters a prompt through text, image, or audio, and then the model processes it and provides a response. The chatbot may also use an external documents, tools, and conversation memory. Finally, safety controls is used to check the response for any harmful response or restricted content. Therefore, the language model is important, but they are only one part of the whole system. So there are some hardware and software bottleneck challenges. Uh, the language model, the Llama 3.1, it has a 405 billion parameters. Its weights alone require approximately 810 gigabytes of memory in 16-bit format, which is a huge uh, model, and it requires a very high computational resources as well. So a model of this size cannot be uh, fitted into a normal GPU. It requires uh, it needs to be distributed across many GPUs in parallel. This creates challenges in memory, communication, and reliability. Um, Large training systems need fast networks, regular checkpoints, and uh, they need to have an automatic recovery from hardware failures. So if any of the hardware fails, then the model need to be able to recover uh, back from it. So efficient inference is as important as training. While a chatbot response is important, the quality of the responses is important. The chatbot also needs to be able to handle millions of users at a time. So this can get very costly, and because of the high use of computational resources. So long conversations require more memory, while generating responses token by token increases latency. So there are various technologies that help solve these problems. Uh, the model Llama uses grouped query attention, while DeepSeek uses multi-head latent attention. Quantization, caching, and a mixture of other tools can also help reduce the resource uses, which can help uh, keep the cost minimal while also providing the responses to be as uh, to be of quality to the users. So uh, there are two so different architectures have their own advantages, but they have their own trade-offs as well. So Llama 3.5 is a dense transformer with 405 billion parameters. Um, it is trained using 16,000 S100 GPUs. Uh, this model architecture is more regular, but it needs a high computing power. While DeepSeek V3 is a mixture of experts architecture. It has 671 billion total parameters, but only around 37 billions are activated for each token. Um, DeepSeek reported using 2048 H800 GPUs. Um, it also uses MLA P8 and dual pipe. Uh, it has an efficient compute and but also has a complex routing. So, in simple words, Llama focuses on dense architecture simplicity, while DeepSeek focuses on sparse efficiency. Fluency can hide serious ethical risks. Generative AI chatbots also create serious ethical risks. The first is hallucination, where the system provides incorrect information confidently. So this is a very high risk as it can provide, as the user may use the chatbots for some complex processes and they might get a very bad answer and that can create a bad uh, the information might not be correct or the information the user might use can hamper their work. The hallucination and the most important is the security. Prompt injection attacks may manipulate chatbots that have access to these tools or applications. So what are the future trends that we might see? So in future, they can be more agentic. Instead of only answering user queries, can also plan tasks, use different tools, and perform actions. They will be more efficient in the future. They would have a very large context window, and they can solve very difficult problems than they can right now. So, in conclusion, generative AI chatbots are powerful intelligence systems, uh, but uh, but it is but the capabilities only not enough right now. Future chatbots will be able to handle more complex tasks, and they will be more uh, they will be more agentic and will be able to complete tasks on their own. Thank you.